In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz RSI Filter. If you're new to the Finviz screener, it's a powerful, free tool that lets you filter thousands of stocks down to a focused list based on criteria you choose. Today we'll focus on the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, which is a momentum indicator that ranges from 0 to 100 and helps you quickly spot whether a stock is stretched to the upside or downside. On Finviz, the default is RSI 14, which uses the last 14 periods on the daily chart. Start by opening your browser and going to finviz.com/screener.ax. That lands you right on the screener page. If you see a simplified view, click the Filters or All button near the top so the full set of screening criteria becomes visible. This expanded view is where you'll find all the categories you can use, including the technical indicators we need. Next, look for the Technical section and find the drop-down labeled RSI 14. This is where you tell Finviz which RSI range you want to filter for. A quick refresher. RSI helps gauge momentum and potential overbought or oversold conditions. It's not a guarantee of direction, but it's great for narrowing your watch list and setting up potential entries or exits. Now choose an RSI option. If you pick oversold, which is RSI below 30, you'll surface stocks that have seen strong recent selling and might be setting up for a bounce. This can be useful if you're watching for reversals near support. But remember that oversold can persist during downtrends, so confirm with price action. If you select a neutral range, like 40 to 60, you'll find names that aren't too extended in either direction and may be ready to trend. This is handy when you want balanced setups that can break out or continue steadily. If you choose overbought, which is RSI above 70, you'll get stocks with strong recent gains that could be due for a pullback. In strong uptrends, overbought can stay elevated, so you can treat it either as a momentum signal or a spot to watch for exhaustion. Once you've picked your RSI setting, the screener updates automatically to show only stocks that match that condition, along with any other filters you've already set. Take a moment to scan the results, review the charts, and note the sectors and liquidity. You can refine further later if needed, but the key idea here is to let the RSI filter quickly shape a focused list. That's the process. Open the screener, reveal all filters, select RSI 14, choose the range that matches your strategy, and review the updated list. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and use RSI as a guide alongside price and volume.